This is the Universal Laser Systems PLS 675. The 75 in the name represents the wattage of the laser unit. The laser unit is actually back behind here underneath these covers. The control panel is up here in the front. This is where we control different aspects, but the most important one is setting our Z height for the focus, to focus the laser beam. Using this handle, we can open up the top of the cabinet and we can access the cutting table. Now this cutting table is 18 inches by 32 inches. It's actually a pretty good size laser cutting table. Over here we have the laser head. If you can see this little hole right here, the laser beam actually comes in from the left side and is bounced on a mirror to the laser cutting head, which then bounces down through another mirror, focuses through a lens similar to a magnifying glass, and then lasers the material here on the table. Now this tube coming out is actually what's called an air assist. It channels compressed air to help keep the area clean, and it also kind of helps prevent any combustion from taking place. This rail, which the laser head rides on, provides the X movement. As the X is a left to right here, the entire rail moves front and back for our Y movement, and any Z movement is actually controlled by our table. And the Z movement is actually set beforehand so that the focus of the beam is at the proper location. And I'll talk more about that in a supplemental video. To turn this machine on, we go down on the right side of the machine and we click this toggle switch right here. You'll hear the machine start to power up. You see the control panel light up. And if the machine is connected by USB to the controlling laptop, which has the UCP running, then we can start to focus it, set our Z, and that adjustment will come up here once this is run through its diagnostics and is ready to go.